Stones don't lie. Product photos sometimes do. Expectation versus reality, TEMU version. Now, is it legal to send stones that don't match the photos if the seller doesn't specify the exact minerals? Probably. Is it ethical though? That's another question. So, here's the TEMU package. It arrived fast, faster than I expected, and at first glance, it looked promising. Let's go through this one by one. I will grab one or two to show you. Look. Another one, it looks the same. Look, there's a pretty one. You see? Before we go any further, I'll sort this out and show you what we've got. At first glance, I'm missing the rose quartz, the amethyst. I do not spot any carnelian agate, the rocks that you can identify easily. I have said it before, I am new to this, but this is something anybody can spot. So let's get back to sorting this out, and I'll show you what we've got one by one, and we'll probably test some of them. Okay, this is it. What's your first impression? Again, in the photos, you don't just see mixed stones. You see rose quartz, you see amethyst, some kind of blue stones that look like sodalite. Now let's compare the photos to what we've got. I think we have here some pretty obsidian. This is obsidian. It has glassy surface, sharp edges. It's obsidian. 3 pieces of this, 4 pieces of what I believe to be mahogany obsidian. You can see the brown spots here. What do you think? Look at this here. These all are supposed to be clear quartz. They don't actually feel like quartz. They get hot very easily, they are too light, and I think if I try to scratch it, it will scratch easily. It mostly looks like glass, simple glass. Let me get a quartz and I will try to scratch this. I'm getting the quartz from a Moss test kit. This is a practical method for determining the hardness of materials in order to help identify a mineral. Number 7 in the Moss scale. The scale has 10 levels, with 10 being the diamond, the hardest natural mineral. Quartz is 7, while common glass is around 5.5 to 6. And I will try to scratch one of these pieces. I don't know if I can do it right. Even though my technique is of a beginner, it scratched pretty easily, so this is not quartz. Probably the rest are not quartz either. I'm taking them to the side to see what else we've got. I don't know about this one. Look, it's supposed to be opal. What do you think? It's opal? Opalite? I don't know. I don't know how to test this one. And now, let's go to my favorite part of the video. Look at those pieces. Look, they are supposed to be smoky quartz. What do you think? Do they look like smoky quartz? Let's test them. Okay, I think I scratched it. Let me try another one. This one. Here we have a clear glassy surface, so if it scratches, we'll be able to see it clearly. When you take away the dust, it leaves a line, there's a clear line here. I know my technique is a bit rogue. What do you think? I don't want to be unfair, but I cannot be certain. I'm guessing that if this was smoky quartz, I would have to pay for it more. That's something else to consider. Let's go to the more interesting rocks. We have 5 pieces of this. I think fluorite reacts to the UV light. I can try to scratch them, but as you can see, my technique is a bit off, so my results might not be accurate. Let me get the UV light. Let's turn off the lights to see if this is actually fluorite. I won't turn off all the lights because I can see the stone reacting to UV light even so. You see? So that's probably fluorite. These are actually very pretty stones. I will try to scratch it too. If it's fluorite, it should be very easy to scratch it. What do you think? Am I making a line here? Am I scratching it? I think I am. Look. Now for the next ones. This is probably tiger's eye. Look. 2 pieces of this. Yeah, look here. And let's go to the next one. Let's take them for a hydrochloric acid test. If these stones are calcite, they should start foaming once I drip acid on them. Let's destroy my mom's balcony marbles for the test. This is marble, this is the yellow stone, orange, whatever you want to call it. You see it's foaming here. The stone though does not react at all. This is hydrochloric acid. This is apatite. I'll try to scratch it with this. This is number 5 on the Mohs scale. So, the yellow stone produced powder from the apatite, indicating that it is harder than 5 on the Mohs scale. According to a rock identifier app, this is an aventurine. The stone shows a sugary, crystalline surface, it scratches glass and shows no reaction to hydrochloric acid. What do you think these are? So, this is what I have received. I'm not jumping to conclusions here. I have not ordered from every seller on TEMU, of course, and I don't plan on doing that. After watching this review, would you order from TEMU? I'm very curious to hear your thoughts. Even the Zavu has an opinion. Inspection is here. Is TEMU legit? Until the next time, be well and stay curious.